Gabby just can't wait to go.
But won't leave, not leaving, not leaving. Look at this dog walk. Whoa, what speed on that dog walk. Redirects a little bit, make sure they get that. Push, push, push. Into that tunnel. Nice job. Get to the backside of this jump. Andrea, hang in there. She thought maybe she might have got lost for a quick second.
Gabby has to beat 43.20.
No, that's fine. It's just time. That's time. It's just time. Wow. We're taking the long way around everything, it looks like. But this is a young dog.
Through the weave pulse.
Motors. Look at those weaves.
And Gabby wins it on the final run.
Wow, even with some miscommunication, some wide turns, that was amazing.
Look at the high fives.